We have another property for sale located here in Barangay Alegria. Still Alegria, guys. Carmen Bohol. It's Sagbayan and Alegria Provincial Road. So that is the road of connecting Sagbayan and Carmen Bohol. So and the property is a small lot. Is just only 150 square meters for 300,000 pesos negotiable. So still negotiable, guys. Just only 300,000 pesos negotiable. So as for me, this is a very good investment, or it's already widened, meaning it cannot already affected by the widening of the highway because it's been already widened, guys. So this is the property. So from the blue color house, and to the banana trees with the coconut trees. So this is a very good investment, ideal for commercial or residential. So very nice. Again, the property is 300,000 pesos negotiable, ready for title. It's a tax declaration, really. The adjacent is also for sale, so the back portion of the property. So just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. So this is the neighborhood. So very nice during night time. Still cool place, 18 to 24 degrees. It's an interior road going to Chocolate Hills. So the famous Chocolate Hills. Okay, so 1 hour drive from Tagbilaran City and Panglao International Airport. Thank you very much and God bless to all.